Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I would like to tell about it has been a week, a couple of weeks since I have been in college, and I have getting a lot of friends, and sometimes I ask them to just check out my channel. So for that, what I have to do is either I have to take their contact numbers and send them the link of my channel, because that's how generally we do it, or sometimes I have to ask type the name of my channel in YouTube and search it. But my channel is not currently that much big, so the search algorithm sometimes just get fucked up. So what I'm going to do is I was thinking let's make a QR code through which I can just let them directly go to my channel, and it would be the best thing. I don't need to send everyone links or save some contact number, and I feel like it is too much work. I'm a lazy guy, so let's just make a QR code. So let's first make a directory, name something. First I would like to now make a directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use qrencode. Well, what does this thing is? Well, it is specifically for making QR codes, and it is available in, I guess, almost every Linux distro, so you can install it and try it out. So let's try to make a QR code of my own channel. So here it is, my channel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy the URL, and now I would type qrencode and -o for output. So it will define what will be output image. So I will write something like QR code.png, and then I would type single quote and then just paste it. Yeah, so here it is done. So let's see how it look like. So it looks like this, but it is very small, and the margin is also very less. So let's make it a little bit big. So for that, what you have to do is you have to type qrencode and -o thing, and now let's add some other flags. So first of thing, I would like to add some extra margin, so something like 10, I guess. And now let's see how does it looks. So yeah, now I have extra margin, and now I want to also have the size of dots increased. Currently, I guess by default it is something like 3 pixels. I want to increase it to something like let's say 7. So for that, you have to just type -s and then 7, and then press enter, and here the size has gone something big. I would just like to decrease a little bit margin so that it feels better. Yeah, so here it is, our QR code, which is perfect. Now if I want to do something I want to ask someone to check my YouTube channel, or if I have a friend, a newly made friends, and he wants to know what do I do in my YouTube channel, so I can just show him this QR code. He will scan it and he can see what kind of stuff I do. So that's how you can make a QR code, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you next time.